We will start our August market report, and this August, as you can see by the numbers here, we have been outperforming 2022 and 2021. If you look at the total sales for August so far, and we're basically at the end of August, there's 1 or 2 days left to go. We have beat 2022, which was a record year, and we're at over 2,400 sales in this month alone. Now that's crazy considering the rest of the country, Toronto, Vancouver, other Ontario markets are really falling in the number of sales, but Calgary and Alberta are going super strong, and our sales are hitting record levels every single month.
Yeah, it's just crazy. We're still going into multiple offers. We were hoping this would have cooled down. Actually, what we are going to see coming up, Tim, normally in September, kids are back into school, so we do see more properties coming on. But Tim, what do you say? People are just out there wanting to buy properties. Yeah. It is crazy. We thought we'd be well over 2,500 listings right now. As you can see what's on the market right now, 3,392, but roughly 800 of those are pending already. So when we look at that, there's only 2,500 listings on the market. Half of those are condos and half are detached. So there's not a lot of choice for people out there. And what you're going to see, if we do see another rate increase, we're still not sure about that, but that's going to put more pressure on the lower priced properties because that's where the most affordability is. And what we're seeing, those condos are still going up. Yeah. And we're going to see it for some time just because of that affordability range.
And the next number I want to look at quickly before we get to Danielle DeMarco, our mortgage broker, is the average price increase. We're up 7.51% year over year compared to August of 2022. And you can see that average price is $524,000. Now that's for all property types, condos, townhouses, half duplexes, and single family homes. We're seeing these great increases. We're bucking the Canadian trend in always increases in price, increases in volume. So we find that it's a great time to invest in Calgary because we don't see the prices going anywhere but up, and we don't see the volume going anywhere but up. So for our investors, like Azad said at the beginning, that got into the market, only 6 months or a year ago, they've all made a tremendous amount of money just by taking action into the market.
Tim, and we've had some clients wonder, is it too late to get in? No, it's not. Where should the average be? We've been saying this for years. The average should be all the way up to about 650,000. So we've got a long way to go there. And if you're wondering, well, how do you guys come up with that number? Basically, we look at the bigger markets and see what their averages are, Tim. They're well over 1 million. And that's why so many people are moving to Calgary, Alberta right now. And you know what? There's over 75 people moving per day here, which means there's not enough properties for them to live in. Yeah. So there's a shortage of rentals. So the rental market's going to continue strong. The property market's going to continue. And then jobs are going to follow as well. So it's going to be very interesting for the next year to 2 to 3 years just to solve that inventory, the inventory levels that are going on.
And before we get into speaking with Danielle DeMarco, our mortgage expert, if you have any questions, throw them in the chat. We do have a question from a gentleman or someone from Florida. He said, is anyone here from Florida? If you are, you guys can chat together. But what we want to stress is that the information that we're going to cover in this seminar does not just apply to the Calgary market where we are right now. These strategies and this system of using real estate to pay off debt can be used anywhere in North America. We will go through various things that you can do to pay off debt. So it could be used anywhere in North America. So stay on the seminar. We may talk a little bit about where we are locally, but these systems apply everywhere.
Yeah, we love Florida, by the way. Tim and I both vacation there. We've vacationed there in the past, so it's very hot down there.
Yeah.